Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Reeve knives large Sebenza 21 up for a quick review. This is the Wilson Combat Edition, just a special milled out scales with these pretty cool grooves, but what I'm gonna say it's gonna be valid for also for the plain Jane edition. This is a pretty cool, iconic frame lock. Reeve in fact invented the frame lock. Made in Idaho in the US, and it's just iconic, guys. This is if you don't know the Sebenza, probably you're not really into knives. This is a 8.335 inch long overall with pretty nice titanium sand-blasted scales. These are two solid slabs of titanium, very simple construction going on. You have a nice drop point blade which is 3.625 inches, and it's made out of S35 VN steel, so good to go. The finish is just a light stone wash, very interesting, and but the highlight is just a beautiful hollow grind with a very thin behind the edge blade. Very nice. The sound it makes is very distinctive. It's this. This is the Sebenza sound. You know that it's a Sebenza. When it opens, it's like so distinctive that you know that Sebenza is getting opened. When you close it, this is one of the most subtle and sexy clink when closing a knife. This is just a beautiful sound. The weight in the pocket is 4.7 ounces. You have also like a nice titanium pocket clip. Its function is great. The look, I'm not really a fan. I find it a little bit too simple, but it's absolutely well designed towards functionality. The grip is absolutely very good. It's the only thing I'm not a fan of is the a little bit of hot spots created by this clip ramp over here when you squeeze, but it's not a huge deal, but it's still there. That's a little bit digging into your flesh. The fit and finish is just phenomenal, guys. Like the tolerances are pretty tight and there's nothing wiggling, no play. It just feels like extremely solid. You have a nice jimping going on. It's a very smooth knife overall. Like the action, it's slow, it's not a fast one, but guys, this is Sebenza smooth. And the detent, it's a little bit on the light side, but you're not going to be able to shake it open. But this is not about speed. This is about smoothness and class, and the Sebenza can pull this off 100%. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.